Nestled in the heart of Sackville, New Brunswick, the Vogue Cinema stands as a testament to both timeless elegance and a rich cinematic heritage. Built in 1946, this iconic landmark has been an integral part of the local community for over 7 decades. It's captivated audiences with its unique charm and entertainment offerings. Today, it presents an incredible investment opportunity for those seeking to be part of a historically significant property. The theater's current ownership has successfully maintained its reputation as a premier entertainment destination, presenting a diverse range of films, special events, and live performances. Investing in the Vogue Cinema means not only acquiring a piece of history, but also becoming a steward of Sackville's cultural heritage. Don't miss this chance to own a piece of Sackville's history and shape its cinematic future. The Vogue Cinema awaits its next visionary owner, ready to embark on a new chapter of entertainment excellence. Take the leap and seize this remarkable investment opportunity today.